Good day mga kabayan techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech. And today is another troubleshooting Thursday. This is the second installment for the factory reset of different iPhone models. And we are going to focus on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Let's begin. So I do have an iPhone 7 here. The process of doing the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus are the same. You're going to press the same button if you want to do the reset of the phone. What I have right now, assuming that we forgot the passcode or it's stuck on the Apple logo, or if your phone keeps on restarting, goes onto the Apple logo and then it goes back again black, there is a possibility that a factory reset can resolve that issue. So what we're going to do first thing is we're going to plug in the phone to a power source. And next thing that we're going to do is we are going to press the lower volume button and also the power button all at the same time. And let me do that one. You will see on the screen that the phone will turn off. Just wait for the Apple logo to show up again if it turns off. Release the power button and keep holding the lower volume down button so we could go to what you call the restore mode. Okay, and when we go to the restore mode, we're going to plug this one to a computer, either Windows or a Mac that has iTunes on it. So we are going to plug the phone that went into recovery mode through the iTunes, and we're going to have it factory reset. So what will happen now is once I plug it in, I'm just going to put this one here, okay, and I'm going to plug it in. There you go. And then on the computer, you will see an option that says there is a problem with your phone. It's asking you if you're going to do a restore or an update. Either of the two will work, but for our factory reset, we're going to do the restore. We click on that button. And next is we're going to click the restore and update. By the way, I'm using a Windows 10 computer for me to do the factory reset. The last two videos that we're going to do for the troubleshooting Thursday, we're going to use a Mac, so at least you'll see both worlds on how to do it. So press restore and update. For the iOS, the latest iOS will be extracted, and after this one, your phone will restart and we'll start to install the software through the phone. So let's fast forward this one and we will go to the next screen. Okay, now it will show preparing iPhone for restore, and what will happen on the phone will restart and it's going to boot up again. iTunes is going to wait for the phone to turn on and to prepare the install of the software. And let's fast forward this one again. Okay, so after the software is sent to the computer, to the phone, your phone will restart, and then there will be a prompt on the screen that will say the factory restore is completed. Take out the cable here from your phone, and then we're going to wait for it to finish its setup install. So what will happen here is it's trying to verify and also install the iOS software that was sent from the computer going to your phone, and this will take around 5 minutes at the most. The total restore usually takes 15 to 20 minutes depending on the speed of your computer, speed of your download, and also the speed of the phone itself. Okay, and now everything is done. It goes back to the hello screen, and all you have to do is to set up the phone. And that's it mga kabayan techers. Kindly follow my channel by subscribing. Click the notification bells for you to see if there are new contents. And if you have any requests, just write them down below on the comment section. Again, thank you very much and have a good day.